This is a Dynaway step-by-step guide on how to fill in lines in resources, items, and expenses on work order plans, work orders, round plans, round orders, maintenance task plans, and maintenance tasks. How to fill in lines in the Resources tab. In the Resources tab on a plan, use the arrow to the right to select a resource in the Number column. In the Work Type Code column, use the arrow to the right and select a work type code. In the Estimated Quantity column, put the number of expected hours that the resource needs to complete the job. How to fill in lines in the Items tab. In the Items tab on a plan, use the arrow to the right to select an item in the Number field. In the Estimated Quantity column, put the number of pieces needed to carry out the job. How to fill in lines in the Expenses tab. On a work order in the Expenses tab, select the three dots in the Number column. From the list of expenses, select an expense and click OK. In the Vendor Number column, select the arrow to the right and select a vendor from the list. In the Quantity column, specify the number of hours needed for the vendor to complete the job. In the Expected Unit Cost column, enter the expected cost.